To access your settings, go to the bottom left and click on Settings. Let's start by configuring our store details. To change the name of your store, you'll edit this block here. Go to the right-hand side and click the little pencil icon. And here is where you'll enter your store name. For my store name, I'll enter knot and thread. Then I'll go to the bottom right here and click on Save. And you want to make sure that you also enter your billing address here. Next, let's go into Payments on the left-hand side. From here, you'll click on Activate Shopify Payments. I recommend doing this. This is the best way to make sure that your customers have the most ways to pay for your products. And also, you have to do this in order to get paid. You can also choose to go with PayPal payments if you want to. But I do recommend going with Shopify payments. It looks the best on the back end, and it actually increases your conversion rate. Next, on the left-hand side, let's click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can create different shipping zones for both domestic and international shipping. Let's click into this here. And if I scroll down, here are all of your different shipping zones. You can set this up however you want, just make sure that it makes sense for your products. Now, let's scroll back up, and on the left-hand side, click on Taxes and Duties. Shopify will handle most of this automatically by default. But if you're unsure about tax rules in your area, it's always a good idea to check with a tax professional. Next, let's go down to Domains. Here, you can either buy a new domain from Shopify, or you can connect an existing domain. I would highly recommend buying a domain from Shopify. They will handle everything for you when it comes to connecting your domain on the back end, and this will definitely save you some time. To buy a domain, simply click on Buy New Domain. Here, notthread.com is available, and I would definitely recommend finding a .com domain. .com domains are significantly more trusted by customers. So if I wanted to buy this domain, I would just click on Buy here, and then Shopify will connect everything for me. And lastly, let's go back to the left-hand side, scroll down, and find Languages. And here you can actually translate your store into different languages. This is a great option if you're planning to reach different international customers.